Windows 7 introduces some cool functionality called gadgets. You might have, for example, the desire to have a clock on your desktop or a calendar or some other gadget. If I right click anywhere on the desktop, you can see that there is this menu option called gadgets. The ones that come automatically with Windows 7, you can see there's a couple of additional ones just because of my printer I've installed. But let's explore the clock and the calendar gadgets. So to use them, what you just do is left click on them and drag them to your desktop. And I'm also going to take the calendar and drag it to my desktop. With each gadget there's a number of different options, so I'm just going to click on the spanner here for the clock, and I can change the look of the clock. I kind of like that look. I don't have to have it as the current time. What I could have, perhaps I've got a lot of family in the UK, so I always want to be able to see what time it is in there. So I'm going to give my clock a name, and I'm going to change the time zone to London time, and I want to show the second hand. There we go. So now I know that it's 2 o'clock in the UK, so I know it's an acceptable time to call there. If I have a look at the calendar, what I can do is there's a larger size option. So if I do that, what it does, it also shows me the month view. If I want to drag any gadget around, this little pad allows me just to drag it and drop it there. There are some standard features with gadgets. I'm just going to right click on the gadget, and I might choose to always have the clock on top. What that means is no matter what application I have, if I just drag it over, you can see that the clock is staying on top, but the calendar is now underneath. What I might want to do is change the opacity of the actual clock, so perhaps it's slightly see-through. And if I want to move a mouse over it, then what it does is it comes to 100% opacity. So gadgets, very, very cool functionality of Windows 7 to allow you to put some gadget on the desktop. You are not just limited as to the gadgets that are shipped with Windows 7. You can see in the bottom right we can get more gadgets online. What that does is take you to the Windows Microsoft website, and here are some desktop gadgets that are available. And some developers can write their own, software applications can write their own. So these are some of the gadgets that you can download. Have an explore, see what you like.